Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace if it's not working. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, as you can see here, this account is relatively new, but I think this was made around, last year, December 25, at the time of recording. It is currently July 2 of 2026. 7 months have passed, and my account right here got Marketplace. Brand new profiles often face temporary lockouts from Marketplace to prevent bot activity. So you must use your account actively for a few weeks to unlock it. Also ensure that your birth date on your profile is set to 18 years old or older. So to go ahead and check, go ahead over to the 3 horizontal lines right here. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings. Wait for it to load and tap on Account Center. And then go ahead and tap on Profiles and Personal Details. Tap on it. And you will be able to see birthday right here. Again, make sure that it is set to 18 years or older. All right. Also, verify that your country is supported by using Marketplace. All right. Or just make sure that your profile location is set to a supported country like the US, United Kingdom, or the Philippines. And that is how you fix Marketplace if it's not working. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.